Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Thursday, April 25th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. A candle has made a higher high and a higher low and a very, very bullish candle. We are now starting to see some strength from the buyers, and little wonder when we saw this very strong sell-off, we were waiting to see some decisive action from either the buyers or the sellers. The market rallied on very, very indecisive candles, a lot of small white body candles, and the interesting thing here is that each of these candles except one has been a white body candle. So for each trading day, the buyers have made an amount of net bullish progress except for that one trading day. And that said, the buyers were stronger than the sellers in this rally, but the depth of that strength was really in doubt because of the small size of the bodies. Today we have seen a good extension of that size of the white body, and it suggests that the buyers have made some very substantial net bullish progress in terms of the net effect between the open and the close. For today's trading, they have taken out some important close by areas of resistance, including the 1432 area, which has held as resistance for the 3 past consecutive days, and that really does say something about the change of sentiment in this market and the swing to the buyers at the moment. Also taken out 1448 and the 1462 level, and now trading to the flat Kijun-sen, and this here highlights very well how flat Kijun-sen attracts price action. And let's look at it, how it's been flat there. The price action has been attracted back towards the equilibrium suggested by the flat Kijun-sen. Now at the moment, as this current candle is developing, it's above the Kijun-sen, but we can't preempt the market. There's a possibility of this market being rejected from there, so we do need to look at that. The only question here that I have is that with this burst of net momentum for the trading day, does that mean that we've seen that last rush of enthusiasm from the buyers for this sequence of trading? There is a possibility of that happening, and combining that with the market trading around the potentially strong resistance at Kijun-sen, there is a possibility of this market coming off again. So let's be aware of that. At the moment, 1462 the 1462 level will be very important, but I suggest that this 1432 level has potential to hold a strong support now and change roles, whereas it was very strong resistance for the previous 3 trading days. So let's watch that. To the upside, 1478 will be important resistance, and then there is a possibility of the market testing up to the 1500 round number, and that has potential to act as very solid resistance to this market. But we do need to watch how this market behaves, and let's react to the market. But at the moment, all of the momentum in the short-term time frame in terms of these candles is with the buyers who have closed with very strong control and shown strong commitment throughout this trading day today. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, a very bullish close up above the 261.8% level. This does suggest that if this market can trade through the Kijun-sen in a bullish manner, our next target, the 423.6, is the one we should be looking to, and that's at 1536. And that coincides with this previous swing low, so it will offer itself as fairly strong resistance. But this bullish activity up above 261.8% suggests that if the market can trade through the Kijun-sen in a bullish manner, we can trade to substantially higher levels. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we are seeing a different scenario here. Very solid bullish trading up above the 50% level. That did have potential to be a very important level. The market has taken that out in a very, very bullish manner. There is a suggestion that the market could trade to the 61.8%. That's at 1487. So we should be watching that. In the way that this candle is developing at the moment, it's looking as though the market will interact with that. As I've mentioned, important trading activity at the moment around the Kijun-sen. So if we can see sustainable price action up above that Kijun-sen, then the 61.8% will come into play. But if we see sellers coming in and a change of sentiment in this market, there is potential for a change of trend there. But at the moment, the bullish activity above the 50% suggests that the 61.8% target of 1487 will be met. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bearish market in the long-term time frame by trading down below the cloud, and the market was looking very overextended when trading down below the cloud. We had this very substantial downtrend. We had the bullish harami pattern and confirmation of that change of trend to the upside, and the market is now retracing back towards that long-term equilibrium that's suggested by the cloud. The market is neutral in the medium-term time frame by trading at the Kijun-sen, now as this candle is developing, trading just above there. So there is a chance of some bullish sentiment coming into this market in the medium-term time frame, but that candle is still developing. But we now have bullish market in the short-term time frame by trading up above the Tenkan-sen. So quite a change of sentiment and a very solid bullish breakout. But really, this market, what's happening at the moment really does depend how this market reacts to the Kijun-sen here, which has the potential to offer itself as very strong resistance. So we do need to watch that. 1478 is an important area in the short-term time frame. 1500, if the market does trade up to those levels, the Fibonacci levels will come into play, and very solid support here at 1462. So a market that's looking bullish, but crucial to this market at the moment is the area that we're trading in at the moment, where the Kijun-sen is trading at.